How to buy MTN shares here in Ghana. In today's video, I'm going to give you a simple way you can buy MTN shares here in Ghana. Okay, either you want it on your phone or you go straight to data brokers and then open a brokerage account. Okay, so don't skip this video. By the end of this video, you know the price of MTN shares and how you can create the account on your phone and then buy shares. Okay, so let's go straight to the point. When we say shares, is a small part of the company. Okay, so if you buy MTN share, you become a shareholder and you become part of their company. Okay, so if MTN gets a profit, they will pay you a dividend. Okay, so how can you buy MTN shares from your phone? I would like to start on phone. Okay, it's very simple. What you have to do is you dial *170# and then select option 5. After selecting option 5, what was there is financial services. Okay, on option 5, and then choose option 4 and then click on stock or trade and then select MTN shares. Okay, choose buy the amount you want to buy. The price, the last time I confirmed, the price was yes 40 pesos. Maybe they can increase or they can reduce it. Okay, so you too can do your research about the price. Okay, and enter the number of shares or amount you want to buy. Okay, it starts from 40 to 50 pesos going. Okay, you can buy 10 cedi, 20 cedi, even 100 cedis. It depends on how much you want to bought from. Okay, MTN. And after that, they will send you a confirmation. Okay, to entering your mobile pin, that is your code. Okay, then you click on it. After that, then you receive SMS message on your phone. Okay, so when you see the message on your phone, if it doesn't have any brokerage account on your phone, they will ask you to create one on your phone. Then you use the same format to buy the shares without doing anything. Okay, so if you don't want to do it on your phone, what you have to do is you go to data brokers and then office and then go and create a brokerage account. They will create a brokerage account and then you buy a shares you want to buy and then they will do everything for you. Okay, I have already made a video about it. Okay, so you can come to my channel and then watch that video. Okay, I have teach everything. Okay, so this is the simple way you can buy MTN shares from your phone. And the happiest thing is that if you, let's say you buy MTN shares for 4 cedis and the price increases, you too you can sell for someone and then you to get interest from it. Okay, so if you don't want that way, you can keep it. Okay, and then do rollover. The more you buy the share, the more you earn interest. Okay, so this is a simple way you can buy MTN shares here in Ghana. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and then see you next time. Here is Profit My Channel. Thank you for watching it. Bye.